Signing up, table of contents, how to register. Step 1. Navigate to the registration page. From the main menu, click on the Become a Seller page. On this page, click the Start Selling button. Alternatively, you can click on the Login, Register button located at the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Switch to the Registration tab. Once you're on the Login Register page, navigate to the Registration tab. You will see a form to sign up as a supplier. Select the I am a vendor option. This will expand all the fields you'll need. Step 3. Fill out the registration form. Enter the required details in the form, such as your name, email address, password, and any other requested information. Before completing the registration, ensure you read and agree to the platform's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you have filled out all the details, click the Register button. Creating coupons on the supplier dashboard. As a supplier, you can create and manage coupons to offer discounts and promotions for your customers. Keep in mind that the discount applied through your coupon will be deducted from your earnings, not the platform's commission. Follow these steps to create a coupon. Step 1. Navigate to the Coupons section. Log into your supplier account and go to the dashboard. Click on the Coupons menu. Here, you'll see a list of all the coupons you've created. To create a new coupon, click the Add New Coupon button. Step 2. Fill out coupon details. On the new coupon page, you'll find various fields to define the coupon's details and rules. Coupon title, required. Provide a name for your coupon. Description. Add a short description for your coupon. Discount settings. Discount type. Choose between percentage or fixed amount discount. Amount, required. Enter the discount value. Usage restrictions. Email restrictions. Specify email addresses allowed to use the coupon. Usage limit. Set the maximum number of times the coupon can be used. Usage limit per user. Define how many times a single user can use the coupon. Expire date. Set an expiration date for the coupon. Additional options. Exclude sale items. Check this box if the coupon should not apply to sale items. Minimum amount. Define the minimum purchase amount required to apply the coupon. Product and category options. Specify applicable products or categories for the coupon. Exclude specific products or categories if needed. Special features. Apply for new products. Automatically apply the coupon to newly added products. Show on store. Display the coupon on your store page for customers to see. Allow free shipping. Enable this option to offer free shipping with the coupon. Note, free shipping must be enabled in your shipping zone settings. Step 3. Create the coupon. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click the Create Coupon button to finalize it. Your coupon will now be active and visible in the Coupons section. That's it. With coupons, you can offer attractive discounts to your customers, enhance their shopping experience, and boost your sales. How to manage product reviews from the supplier panel. Step 1. Understanding the review process. Customers can leave reviews for your products on the Reviews tab found on each product page. They will fill out the required fields like rating, comments, etc., and click Submit to post their review. Once a customer submits a review, it will be in a pending status by default and won't appear publicly until you approve it. Step 2. Accessing reviews on your dashboard. Log into your supplier account and go to the Reviews tab on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the reviews submitted for your products, along with their statuses, such as pending, approved, spam, or trash. Step 3. Managing reviews. From the Reviews tab, you can approve reviews. Check the content of the review and approve it to make it visible on the product page. Mark as spam flag reviews that appear irrelevant or suspicious. Move to trash. Delete inappropriate or invalid reviews from your list. That's it. By actively managing reviews, you can maintain the integrity of your product pages, encourage more customer interaction, and build credibility for your store. Supplier badges on Compare the Suppliers Market. Earn badges for milestones and events on Compare the Suppliers. Display them on your storefront to showcase your credibility. Types of badges include products published, products sold, and featured products. Earned by publishing products, selling items, and being featured. Verified seller and exclusive to platform badges build trust. View your badges on your supplier dashboard. Start earning badges today to showcase your success. Product Quanda, engaging with customer questions. The Product Quanda feature allows customers to ask questions directly on the product page, helping them make informed purchase decisions. As a supplier, you can answer these questions to provide clarity and improve customer satisfaction. How customers use the Quanda feature. Customers can find the Questions and Answers tab on the single product page. This tab displays existing questions and answers about the product. Customers can use the Search for Questions feature to check if their question has already been answered. To post a new question, customers must log into their accounts. How to manage and answer questions. Access the Product Quanda section. Log into your supplier account and go to your dashboard. Navigate to the Product Quanda section. Here you'll find a list of all questions posted by customers. You can also search for specific questions using the product name. Answer questions. To answer a question, click on the question from the list. You will be redirected to the answer page, where you can write your response. After writing your answer, click the Save button to post it. If a question is irrelevant or inappropriate, you can delete it by clicking the Delete button on the answer page, where the answers appear. Once you submit your answer, it will be displayed under the Questions and Answers tab on the product page. Customers can view your responses and continue the conversation if needed. That's it. The Product Quanda feature helps you engage directly with customers, address their concerns, and build trust for your products. Make sure to monitor questions regularly and provide prompt, accurate answers. Managing staff members. As a supplier on the Compare the Suppliers marketplace, you can create and manage staff accounts to help with various aspects of your store operations. You also have complete control over their permissions, ensuring they only access the sections and features relevant to their roles. Adding a new staff member. Navigate to the Staff section, log into your supplier account and go to the dashboard. Click on the Staff menu, then select the Add New Staff button. Enter staff details. Fill out the required fields including first name, last name, email address, phone number. Save the information. Once you've filled in all the details, click the Save button to add the staff member. Managing staff members. View and manage staff. All staff members will be listed in the Staff menu on your dashboard. From here you can manage their permissions or remove them as needed. To edit a staff member's permissions, click the Manage Permission button next to their name. Adjusting permissions. On the permission management page, you can control what they can view, for example, orders, reviews, products. Create or edit, for example, coupons, product listings. Manage, for example, orders, reviews, store settings. Save changes. Once you've configured the permissions, save the changes. Staff access. After permissions are set, the staff member will receive an email with a link to set their password. Once they create a password, they can log into the supplier dashboard. However, their view and access will be limited to the permissions you assigned. That's it. With the staff management feature, you can efficiently delegate tasks while maintaining control over your store's operations. Managing supplier store followers. The Store Followers feature allows customers to follow your store and stay updated with your latest offerings. This is a great way to engage with loyal customers and keep them informed about new products or discounts. How customers follow your store. Customers can follow your store by clicking the Follow button on your store page. Once they follow your store, it will be listed under the following section of their account dashboard. Benefits of store followers. Increased customer engagement. Followers are notified about new products or discounts, keeping your store top of mind. Automatic notifications. Followers receive an email notification within 24 hours when you add new products, you create new coupons, that's it. Encourage your customers to follow your store to build a dedicated audience and boost repeat visits. Announcements. The Announcements feature keeps you informed about important updates, news, and notifications from the Compare the Suppliers Marketplace Authority. Where to find announcements. Log into your supplier account. Navigate to Supplier Dashboard, Announcements. Here, you will see a list of all announcements sent by the marketplace. Viewing an announcement. Click on any announcement from the list to view its details. The full content of the announcement will be displayed on the details page. That's it. Stay updated by regularly checking the announcement section to ensure you don't miss any important information or updates from the marketplace. Supplier tools, importing and exporting products. Use the Tools module to import and export products. Supports XML and CSV formats. CSV is recommended, ideal for backups and bulk uploads. Navigate to Tools, select Import and upload your CSV. Map CSV columns to product fields. Confirm and proceed to import. For exporting, select Export, customize columns, and generate CSV. Efficiently manage and update product data. Managing store support. The store support feature allows you to efficiently manage customer queries and concerns through support tickets. Customers can reach out to you for assistance, and you can handle these requests directly from your dashboard. Accessing support tickets. Navigate to Supplier dashboard. Support. Here you'll see all the support tickets submitted by your customers. Filter and manage tickets. Use the filtering options to find specific tickets based on customer name, date range, ticket ID, keywords. Tickets are categorized into open and closed sections for better management. Responding to support tickets. Click on a ticket to view its details. This will take you to the ticket details screen. From here you can reply to the ticket to address the customer's query. Change the ticket status, for example, mark as closed after resolving the issue. Enabling the support button on store and product pages. By default, customers can create tickets on the order page. However, you can enable a support button on your store page, single product pages. How to enable the support button? Go to Settings, Store on your dashboard. Enable the support button option. You can also customize the button text to align with your branding. That's all. The store support feature helps you stay connected with your customers, address their concerns promptly, and build trust in your store. Store settings page. Configure and manage your store settings from the dashboard. Personalize your store, update details, and enhance customer experience. Navigate to Dashboard, Store, Settings. Manage essential settings like store banner, profile photo, and store information. Upload a store banner and profile photo. Enter store details, set order limits, and define terms. Set your store's schedule and enable vacation mode if needed. Add a store biography and configure support options. Regularly update settings to keep your store professional and customer friendly.